Did you know some billionaires spend more on their weddings than most people earn in a lifetime? Imagine a wedding so grand it includes private islands, celebrity performances, and diamond-studded decor. In this video, we'll dive into the extravagant world of billionaire weddings. These opulent ceremonies are more than just unions of love. They're showcases of wealth, power, and sheer imagination. From multi-million-dollar dresses to world-class venues, these celebrations redefine luxury. Let's explore the breathtaking details and the jaw-dropping price tags of these billionaire nuptials. Prince Charles and Princess Diana. When Prince Charles and Lady Diana Spencer tied the knot in 1981, it wasn't just a wedding. It was a global event. Dubbed the Wedding of the Century, the ceremony took place at St. Paul's Cathedral in London and was attended by 3,500 guests. With 750 million viewers tuning in worldwide, the wedding's cost, adjusted for inflation, was an astonishing $110 million. Diana's iconic dress alone, with its 25-foot train and 10,000 pearls, was valued at $115,000. The couple's reception featured a grand banquet and a towering 5-tier wedding cake. Security was one of the most significant expenses, ensuring the safety of not only the royal family, but also the thousands of spectators who lined the streets to catch a glimpse of the bride and groom. This wedding set the standard for royal opulence and remains one of the most talked about ceremonies in history. Kim Kardashian and Kanye West. In 2014, Kim Kardashian and Kanye West spared no expense for their lavish wedding. The couple kicked off their celebration with a pre-wedding party at the historic Palace of Versailles in France. The actual ceremony took place in Florence, Italy, at the stunning Fort de Belvedere. Their total wedding costs exceeded $30 million, with Kim's custom-made Givenchy gown priced at $500,000. The venue was adorned with floral arrangements worth over $2 million, creating a dreamy atmosphere for their special day. Guests were treated to private jets and luxurious accommodations, while Andrea Bocelli serenaded the couple during their vows. This wedding perfectly blended Hollywood glamour with European sophistication, leaving a lasting impression on everyone involved. Prince William and Kate Middleton. Prince William and Kate Middleton's 2011 wedding was a spectacle of modern royalty, with a price tag of approximately $34 million. The couple exchanged vows at Westminster Abbey in front of 1,900 guests, including world leaders and celebrities. Kate's Alexander McQueen gown, designed by Sarah Burton, cost an estimated $434,000 and became an instant classic. The reception was held at Buckingham Palace, where guests enjoy a lavish meal prepared by top chefs. The couple's wedding cake, an 8-tiered masterpiece adorned with 900 sugar flowers, was a highlight of the evening. Security costs dominated the budget, ensuring the safety of the couple and their high-profile guests. This wedding captured the hearts of millions and cemented Kate's status as a global style icon. Isha Ambani and Anand Piramal. The 2018 wedding of Isha Ambani, daughter of Indian billionaire Mukesh Ambani, and Anand Piramal was a week-long extravaganza that reportedly cost $100 million. The festivities began with a pre-wedding celebration in Udaipur, featuring performances by global icons like Beyoncé. The actual ceremony took place at the Ambani residence in Mumbai, a 27-story skyscraper known as Antilia. Guests included politicians, Bollywood stars, and international dignitaries, all of whom were treated to gourmet meals and luxury accommodations. The wedding featured elaborate decor, including floral installations and intricate lighting, transforming the venue into a fairy tale setting. The couple's attire, designed by top Indian couturiers, added to the grandeur of the event, making it one of the most talked about weddings in recent history. Michael Jordan and Yvette Prieto. NBA legend Michael Jordan married model Yvette Prieto in 2013 in a ceremony that cost an estimated $10 million. The couple exchanged vows at the Bethesda by the Sea Episcopal Church in Florida, followed by a lavish reception at Bears Club, a private golf course community. The venue was transformed with thousands of white roses and crystal decor, creating an ethereal atmosphere. Guests included celebrities, athletes, and business moguls, all treated to a gourmet menu and live performances by artists like Usher and Robin Thicke. The couple's wedding cake, a 7-tier masterpiece, was a focal point of the reception. Jordan's wedding combined elegance with star power, reflecting his status as a global icon. Chelsea Clinton and Mark Mezvinsky. In 2010, Chelsea Clinton, daughter of former U.S. President Bill Clinton and Hillary Clinton, married Mark Mezvinsky in a ceremony that reportedly cost $5 million. The couple chose the picturesque Astor Courts estate in Rhinebeck, New York, as their venue, a stunning location that provided the perfect backdrop for their special day. Chelsea's Vera Wang gown, valued at $20,000, was a beautiful blend of elegance and modernity, perfectly complementing her regal presence. The wedding featured a gluten-free menu, reflecting Chelsea's dietary preferences, as well as a towering chocolate wedding cake that was a true showstopper. Security was a significant expense, given the high-profile guest list, which included a veritable who's who of political figures and celebrities. However, despite the grandeur of the event, the wedding maintained an intimate and personal atmosphere, focusing on the couple's deep love and commitment to one another. This marriage between two influential families was a true celebration of love, unity, and the blending of political dynasties. Petra Ecclestone and James Stunt. Petra Ecclestone, daughter of Formula One billionaire Bernie Ecclestone, married James Stunt in 2011 in a ceremony that cost an estimated $20 million. The wedding took place at the 15th century Ottiscalchi Castle in Rome, the same venue where Tom Cruise and Katie Holmes were married. The event featured performances by Andrea Bocelli and the Black Eyed Peas, adding a touch of star-studded glamour. Petra's custom-made Vera Wang gown, valued at $1.3 million, was a highlight of the day. Guests were treated to a lavish banquet, with Michelin-starred chefs preparing the menu. The couple's wedding cake, a 6-tier masterpiece, was adorned with edible gold leaf. This wedding was a true celebration of opulence and extravagance. Serena Williams and Alexis Ohanian. Tennis superstar Serena Williams married Reddit co-founder Alexis Ohanian in 2017 in a New Orleans ceremony that cost approximately $3.5 million. The couple chose the Contemporary Arts Center as their venue, transforming it into a beauty and the Beast-inspired wonderland. Serena's custom-made Alexander McQueen gown, designed by Sarah Burton, was valued at $3.5 million and featured a dramatic cape. The guest list included celebrities like Beyoncé, Kim Kardashian, and Anna Wintour. The reception featured a carousel for guests to enjoy and a menu curated by renowned chefs. The couple's wedding cake, a towering creation adorned with crystals, was a showstopper. Serena and Alexis' wedding was a perfect blend of romance and luxury, reflecting their unique personalities. George Clooney and Amal Alamuddin. Actor George Clooney and human rights lawyer Amal Alamuddin's 2014 wedding in Venice, Italy, was a masterclass in elegance and refinement. The couple spared no expense, spending a staggering $4.6 million to create a truly unforgettable event. The ceremony took place at the luxurious Aman Canal Grande Hotel, a stunning 16th-century palace overlooking the iconic Grand Canal. Amal's exquisite Oscar de la Renta gown, valued at a remarkable $380,000, was a timeless and sophisticated creation that perfectly captured her elegance and style. The guest list was a who's who of Hollywood and political elite, with the couple ferrying their high-profile guests to the venue in a fleet of vintage boats, adding to the already enchanting atmosphere. The wedding breakfast featured a lavish Italian menu, while the couple's wedding cake, adorned with fresh flowers, was a true showstopper. Ultimately, Clooney and Alamuddin's choice of Venice as the backdrop for their nuptials lent a romantic, almost cinematic quality to the proceedings, making their wedding one of the most memorable and talked about events in recent celebrity history. Vanisha Mittal and Amit Bhatia. Vanisha Mittal, daughter of Indian steel magnate Lakshmi Mittal, married banker Amit Bhatia in 2004 in a wedding that cost a staggering $60 million. The festivities lasted for 6 days and took place at multiple iconic locations in France, including the Palace of Versailles. Guests received 20-page invitation booklets and were treated to private jets and luxury accommodations. The event featured performances by Kylie Minogue and Bollywood stars, as well as a fireworks display over the Eiffel Tower. The bride's jewelry and attire were custom designed and valued at millions. This wedding remains one of the most extravagant ever recorded, setting a benchmark for luxury and grandeur. Billionaire weddings are more than just celebrations. They're spectacles that capture the imagination of people worldwide. From royal ceremonies to Hollywood extravaganzas, these weddings showcase the pinnacle of luxury, creativity, and love. Each wedding we explored offers a glimpse into the lives of the ultra-wealthy, where no expense is spared to create unforgettable memories. If you found this video helpful and informative, please hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and share your thoughts in the comment section below. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the most expensive weddings of billionaires.
Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button. Thanks for watching.